Hello lovely people, welcome back to the online cook food channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean beans before cooking. This process is important for all Nigerian beans dishes such as ewa goyin, moi moi, akara, gbegiri, ikuru, beans pottage and many more. All you have to do is to trust this process. Usually, when beans is purchased in the market, it is tied in transparent bags as can be seen in the video or in small black bags. The first thing to do is to put the beans in a big bowl. So transfer it from the bag into a bowl. Then next is to get ready for the picking process. And to make the picking process easy and straightforward, I'll get two bowls, one big bowl and one small one. You can also just get the pots you'll be using to cook the beans if that makes it much easier. Just I'm doing. So the next thing is I'll scoop a small quantity of beans in my palm, and as can be seen in the video, I'll separate the good beans and put it in the big bowl. Then when I find any stone or chaff, I'll put that one in the small bowl. The reason why stones or chaff is found in Nigerian brown beans or typically Nigerian beans is because during the processing period and during all the steps or procedures for drying the beans, many times stones and the beans, some of the beans chaff find their way into the bag of beans, and this is the reason why this video is very important. And for those familiar with cooking Nigerian brown beans, this is a well-known technique. However, this video is for people who do not know how to cook Nigerian beans but would like to learn about how to clean beans before cooking. Now that I'm done with separating the good beans or the actual beans from the chaff and the stone, it is time for the next step in cleaning. And this step involves water. So I'll pour a sizable quantity of water into the bowl containing the beans itself, and then I'll proceed to clean. To clean, I'll simply just rub the beans together till I'm quite sure that the beans is clean enough. Then I'll dispose the water and repeat the process the second time. It depends on how dusty the beans is. You can clean the beans up to 3 to 4 times depending on how dusty it is. And this right here is a major process in cooking beans. So the next time you want to cook Nigerian beans and you do not know where to start from, this video is what you should watch. Yes, it is a must watch, and trust me, the process is so simple, easy and straightforward. And I hope today I've been able to show you how to clean Nigerian beans. This process applies to oloyin beans, olotu beans and the Nigerian beans. Basically, this process applies to any type of Nigerian dried beans. Thank you for watching. Till I post my next video. Bye.